happy Saturday and happy Easter. Ah, the most glorious time of the year. And do I ever have a treat to share with you today? I am going to get to unbox a subscription box that comes right from the Holy Land. We are in for a treat because I haven't even opened it up yet at all. I was waiting to do this video. So we're going to see everything together. All right, so the name of this company is called Artza. It's A-R-T-Z-A. They are curated goods that come to us direct from Israel, and it supports the local shops that are there and the local craftsmen and the the artists, and they curate these boxes, and there's a quarterly box and an annual box. I'm pretty sure. I think that's how you set it up. I'm not exactly sure how to set it up, but I know you can get a quarterly box. They have a $75 box and a $95 box, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so anyway, they did send this to me, and so full disclosure, they reached out to me and said, hey, could we send you a box because we love what you do. We love your audience. They know we are fashion and faith over here, and so I was super pleased to be able to do this for them, but also for you, because isn't it hard sometimes to find gifts that are just, you know, unusual and Christ-centered and something that's different and unique? Well, let's get started and see what's inside. Okay, so like I said, the name of the company is Artza. Sorry, my head's a little cut off today, but I had to do this in order for you to see the box and me all at the same time. So, all right, I did slice open the tape. That's the only thing I've done. So let's do this together. All righty. So I'll kind of put this towards me, and then I'll show you what is there. All right, so the first things that are in here is, let's see, it's some recipe cards, which is kind of cool. Recipe cards that, oh goodness, this is sumac roast chicken. Sounds amazing. And Gamla, oh, these are some postcards. All right, so anyway, so let's go past these. These are just, I think it's going to tell us, oh, what's in here. Oh, this is very cool. So every card has the artist or the supplier. This says the artisan, David Ross, and Golan inspired native tea, piping hot or iced cold. All right, so each of these cards tells what it is. So I'll try to do that for you as we go along. So let's see here. This is, it says, welcome to the Golan, and it kind of tells the history of the Artza team, which is exciting. Now let's get to the good stuff. Okay, so look how pretty this is packed. Really, really, really well done. So pretty. Okay, so let's do it. All right, I got to go to this first because this is like holding my, oh, okay, so let's see here. What is in this? Let me open this up. Okay. This is a scented soy wax candle, and it says it's vegan wax, which is very cool. Handmade and inspired by the Golan. I guess I really need to read this whole thing here on the Golan. Welcome to the Golan. Oh, this is a Golan box. So everything in here is about the Golan. The Golan, we hope that your Golan box finds you and your families well at this wonderful time of spring. The weather is beginning to warm up. The stunning flower blossoms are beginning to appear. The birds are starting to sing, and we at Artza couldn't be more excited for you to experience the beauty of the Golan Heights, and God willing, the borders are opening for tourism, and we can welcome you all in with arms wide open and a warm embrace. How we and our artisans have missed you all. There's nothing like the Golan in the winter and spring months. Watching families, friends, and giggling children enjoying the snowy slopes of the stunning Mount Hermon truly warms our hearts. Breathing in the full, cool air of spring and watching the snow-capped hills melt away and transform into the snow-white covered blossom of the almond tree. And then, can you smell the delicate scent of the flowers drifting through the wind, the shape of which inspired the shape of the menorah in the Holy Temple? Imagine King David sitting here in the Golan Fields, looking out over the magnificent views of the Golan Heights and the Mount Hermon rising toward the heavens as he wrote Psalm 133. For there the Lord has commanded the blessing, life evermore. Once again, for many of our artisans, this was their largest order ever. And for many, this was their first ever large order. So know that as you enjoy these special gifts, you have directly supported amazing small businesses across the Holy Land. You've made their dreams and passions stand strong with your loyal support. Many of our artisans that we worked with together for the Artza Box created new gifts and products exclusively for Artza that can't be found elsewhere, and we are excited for you to enjoy them. Oh, how exciting. Okay, so that means, I'm going to kind of lift this up just a little bit here. That means that someone made this homemade for this box. I love that. I love that. I actually have to, oh, it smells amazing. Oh, what is that smell? Golden dew. Oh, unbelievable. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Isn't this fun, you guys? Oh, Chocolate Mania. White chocolate squares with raw cocoa nibs. And it's in like Israeli. I know I probably said that wrong. I'm so sorry. It's in Israelian. Is that right? That would be right. Okay. Product of Israel. So there are, I love white chocolate. I don't know about you guys, but I love white chocolate. Okay, what's here? Shalva tea. And this is Golan Heights blend of lemongrass, rose, and lemon verbena. Verbena, however you say that. It's breezy and uplifting. Very nice. What is this? I'm so excited to see what's in here. Throw that on the ground. I can hear it. I'll move this out of the way. We'll open and look at this together at the same time. How cool is this? Okay, so it must be it's a card game. This special Gaia's Tangram contains 2 identical sets of 4 wooden pieces and a deck of cards. And then it shows you how to do it. There's Hebrew alphabet in here, and you can play a single player game or complete between 2 players to see which one can solve the card first. How fun. Okay, and you know that somebody handmade this. That's awesome. I love things like this, you guys. I love, love, love. And who doesn't like to open up special things? Oh, spices, sumac, rose burrak crushed sumac. So it says a 1/4 teaspoon is 5 calories. And can you imagine how these spices, oh, I can smell through it. So awesome. Okay, I'll have to have Dave do that, my husband, because he's the cook in the family. I should do this way. Oh, wow. The artist is Yair Emmanuel, and he lives and creates in Jerusalem. Emmanuel's designs of Judaic art are based upon a fusion of traditional motifs and ancient Jewish manuscripts with modern and oriental art. Vivid and harmonious colors, as well as a mixture of the old and the new, characterize Emmanuel's work, which he designs and crafts in his Jerusalem studio. So let's take a look. Oh, you guys. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh my word. Oh, and look, he signed it. Right back there is his name, Emmanuel. Oh, isn't that spectacular? Okay, everything, it was worth everything for this so far. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's spectacular. Thank you, Emmanuel. Oh, that's so exciting. There's more, you guys. There's more. Okay, I'm down to the last thing in the box. I'm going to move this over here. And the Wise Virgin's Parable. It includes a replica clay oil lamp from Jesus' time, and it has a certificate of authenticity, matching clay oil filter, 2 cotton wicks. Right here, made in Israel. Biblical presentation of the parable. Has little, I don't want to break that open. Oh my. So there it explains all the oil and all the things. And look at this. And then it also has the oil, the wick to it. You guys, isn't that amazing? I hope you had as much fun with me today as I did in opening this. What a treat. What an absolute treat. And what treasures that these are. Thank you, Artza, for sending this to me. And you guys, if you want to order a box, then just make sure, I think there's a discount I saw on their website. We'll make sure, and I'll make sure we'll add this to the screen, but onto the video. But thank you. And what a great way to celebrate Easter. What a great way to give a gift to someone who has everything, but just would love to have something that's unique and special from the Holy Land. Thank you. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Easter. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and a blessed Sunday and a blessed Saturday as well. Love you. Bye.